Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Guys, today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely Weight Watch drink. Basically, I got my smoothie right here, and what I'm going to do is simple. Get my cucumber first thing. I got a piece of a cucumber, which I'm going to simple cut up very small and put inside of my smoothie blender. And then I'm gonna get a piece of a ginger. Before we get anything else, let's put in the ice. And what I'm gonna do with the ginger, I'm just gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Cut it up very small. And next, I'm gonna get one of my small beetroot. Simple, remove the skin. And I wanna say there's a lot of benefit in beetroot, guys, seriously. Then I'm gonna cut it up very small. Nice one, as you can see right there. And what I'm gonna do is just remove my gloves. The reason why, that's why I use the gloves for the beetroot. Then 1 lemon, and we're gonna squeeze it to get all of that juice out of the lemon. Get the next off. Nice one. So we get that nice lovely juice from it, guys. Really good. Lovely. That's exactly what we're talking about. Then next I got some water. I'll have 3/4 glass of water straight inside of it. Then we're gonna put a teaspoon of honey. Nice one. Then cover it just like this. Blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. And then get a nice lovely drink from it. Weight Watch drink. Lovely. As you can see right here, guys, this is an amazing recipe we can do at home. The recipe is just for health, and you know, Chef Ricardo love to preach about his health. So basically, guys, hopefully you will find this drink really interesting. And as I can see, it's just beetroot, ginger, lemon, and some cucumber, and ice, water, and honey. Blend this for 5 to 4 seconds. Nice. So basically, I just finished blend it. Really nice and lovely. Oh, I can smell the beetroot and the ginger and the lemon. It's a beautiful drink. Oh, lovely and nice, as you can see. And that looking so lovely and nice, guys. Hopefully you will like that one. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. And as I said, we got a lot more recipe coming out for you. Serve it with a nice, lovely piece of a lemon like that. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more recipe, and hopefully we can come with more, better in the future. And see you next time. Weight Watch drink. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.